No, it's not for Chinese chickens. It's made in China. This is our Chinese chicken coop. This is what we bought from Tractor Supply, and came in a kit. And Cheryl and I and next door neighbor put it together. And it does the job pretty well. They say it's good enough for 7 chickens. We have 3 in it now, and you can see the 3 Rhode Island Reds down at the bottom. And the big one is a Buff Orpington. So we put them together for the first time today, and we'll just see how they get along. It's got a door here that slides open to let fresh air in. And there's the door that we slide to get the chickens up in the roosting area. Got a door down here that the chickens can come and go in. It's late in the afternoon, so you can see the shadows. There's one of our Buff Orpington chicks. These are about 13 or 14 weeks old. Okay, this is looking at it from the other side. You can see the little door the chicks go in and out. You can see the ladder that takes them up to the penthouse, we call it, where they roost. And we had a neighbor dog that came out and sort of tried to dig up under the pen, so we put a roll of fencing there to protect that. We're going to repair that. And there's the little Rhode Island Reds and one Americana that we're putting out here to make sure that they're going to get along with the chickens we already have. We got a waterer with nipples on the bottom. That'd be the blue 5-gallon bucket. And then we got a feeder that's hanging from a roosting bar that's outside. So they have the outside roosting bar, and then there's roosting bars inside. And of course this is the protected area here where they can get in out of the rain. On the inside, we've got 3 nest boxes in the back and a couple of roosting bars across here. And that's shavings that we've got in there. And this slides out to clean out very well. And everything seems to work good. There's my little ones again. And this is how you get access to the nest boxes. There are 3 of them here. Hope you can see them. And again, everything seems to work pretty well. Its moisture affects how easy it is to close. Here's a view from the other end. The weather door slides back and forth. And there's no other access from this side. So it looks like the little chicks are staying to themselves and the big ones are leaving them alone. Hopefully it'll stay that way.